Hey folks, mild temperatures across the valley tonight. Everybody in the 70s right now. And if we watch what Future Track suggests overnight, readings, they stay in the 70s. This is 5 a.m. We're still in the low 70s, but here comes that front. And again, you watch the timeline up here. The front pushes through by about 9 a.m. It's about halfway across the valley. Temperatures cool into the 60s across the upper valley while staying in the 70s in the lower valley. So a much warmer start to the day in Brownsville, South Padre Island, even Harlingen. But by about midday, that front's all the way through. Then everybody in the 70s with dew points dropping, humidity going down as the day goes on. Later on in the afternoon, temperatures top out maybe about 80 or so, and by 5 o'clock, we begin to cool off again. Then look at Wednesday morning, low 50s instead of upper 60s, so a pretty big drop from one night to the next temperature-wise. This is what it'll be when you wake up and head off to work or school Wednesday morning. And then Wednesday afternoon, we have trouble getting out of the 60s. High temperatures, upper 60s across most of the area. Then Wednesday night, maybe even a degree or two colder with parts of the valley into the upper 40s. So a chilly night Wednesday night, Thursday morning, and then Thursday afternoon we rebound back into the 70s across most areas. So going for a high tomorrow of 83, but then cooling late, and then 69 for a high Wednesday and back to 73 on Thursday. Finally, a couple of days below the seasonal average. Right now we're running about 10 degrees above normal for the month of February. Satellite and radar has been pretty quiet over the valley today, and Future Track says it's just clouds and maybe a brief sprinkle, and it shows a shower, maybe a thunder shower coming through with that front. We're putting the odds at about 20% of something coming through, and then after that, drier, less humid air builds in for the afternoon. And we stay mainly clear tomorrow night, mainly clear on Wednesday. A few clouds could sneak in on Thursday out ahead of the next little upper air storm system that's going to move across. Not going to bring us any rain, we don't think. Maybe 10% late Thursday, that's about it. So mainly tomorrow morning, then dry, then a slight chance late in the day on Thursday. Can you tell where the boundary between the warm air and the cooler areas? 40 at Abilene, but 69 in Austin. Take a look at the satellite and radar together. We'll go just a little bit closer on this and show you what's going on right in the middle of Texas, because there's some bad weather just to the northwest of San Antonio tonight. None of this has gone severe yet, but you see there's some pretty strong storms embedded within that on I-10, right out around Kerrville. But again, nothing severe yet, but some pretty strong storms. And that stuff's going to be moving eastward, places like Houston. Going to see some big bad storms probably tomorrow during the morning hours. So for us tonight, mostly cloudy, could be a brief shower, low in the upper 60s. Tomorrow, back to 83, clouds, maybe a shower, thunder shower in the morning, then mostly sunny and less humid. Here we go, 83 and then only 69 on Wednesday, back to 73 Thursday, slight chance for a shower late Thursday night, early Friday, then we're mainly dry as we head into the weekend. Temperatures bounce back into the 80s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel?